The script versus the transcript. What you think you're saying is not what you've said, and that's a problem or an opportunity. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today, in day number 26 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the script versus the transcript. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link below to get the additional 17 strategies not shared in this training. So, the script versus the transcript. Look, guys, you're at some level all going to have a script, okay? Whether you have it in your head, whether you have it written down on paper, you're going to have a script that you work off, okay? And you're going to quite quickly have a high level of confidence that that script is working for you with varying degrees of success, okay? That's the typical route that anyone takes when they embark upon a project. The problem with all of us, is that we are deluded, and we are, unfortunately, if I can spell deluded, we are self-deluded, okay? So one of my delusions is that doing this writing stuff enhances my videos, probably makes them worse. So that's an example of self-delusion. Now, the only way that I can identify what's really happening in a manner that's more objective, and that's the challenge. You can fall in love with a script, and that's great, but the script versus the transcript, and what is a transcript here? It's the written version of what was actually said on a phone call that you got onto, okay? It's not what's actually in the script, that it's maybe 50% script, which is great, and then there's 50% that hey goes off all the way over here, and that's comprised of a hey 10 here, 10 here, don't know what you were doing here, this was just crazy, I don't even want to talk about that. So do you see that you're only able to objectively identify, let's see if I can change colors here, by the way. Yes, you're only able to objectively identify this stuff through the transcript, okay? So it's really just important, and this is the thing I'm trying to underline, is to have a look at the actual effective calls, okay? The effective calls, and identify what's going on via the transcript, because then you'll be able to establish tweaks that will feed back into the script, okay? And it's in the calls that you land successes with, that you get a transcript of, that then you can identify and analyze what happened or what did I do slightly differently, especially if you've got a selection of calls where you booked appointments. You can identify and continuously go through a refinement process based upon what's actually happening in the script. And the script, or rather the transcript. And the interesting thing here also is that when you're not seeing success, you can see, well, maybe the script is inadequate, or maybe I'm not sticking to the script. So there's all kinds of data points that you get given when you start to actually pull out transcripts and review them, okay? And that's where a lot of the value is. We know this because we'll review transcripts, we'll share transcripts with clients, we'll go through the transcripts, and we'll try and identify patterns, and it's really efficient as well, of course. You can scan read a transcript versus listening to an actual 20-minute phone call a lot quicker to get to some key elements in a transcript, as well as of course being able to directly search for trigger words, negative trigger words, and all of that good stuff. So I would advocate absolutely ensuring that on a regular basis, especially when you're selling something new or you're having a struggle, but just as a general point of improvement and refinement, to review the transcript of what's being said, because the reality is that you're probably not going to get through a 45-minute call of yourself, at least in any regular fashion. You'll do it intermittently, which is still important, and we'll still go on to talk about, of course, review principles in general. But the script versus a transcript will identify the outliers. It will just really demonstrate to you what's actually going on, okay? And that's what we're looking for here. what is it that's going on, right? What is it that really is happening when you're on the phone? And the value's almost always in here. Okay, so there you go. Compare the script versus the transcript, and it will have a transformative effect on all of this stuff. All right, cheers.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.